Aloha, my name's Bowen Cassel, and I'm Team 359's Team Captain and Control Systems Lead. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to take you through our robot's innovations and how our team spirit has made us successful this season. Over the last 6 weeks, our team has worked tirelessly to build and program our robot in preparation for a Week 1 tournament in Canada. Last year at the Canadian Pacific Regional, we brought home first place, and I was honored to be nominated a Dean's List finalist. A point of emphasis on this year's robot was using more vision systems to assist our drivers, as well as the robot in the autonomous period. To achieve this on this year's robot, we used 2 orange pies paired with 2 RDU cams. These vision systems located on either side of the robot and the front and back behind the shooter allow us to both see April tags and generate a pose estimation for shooting and automatically aligning to points of interest on the field. On top of the things that are readily available for first teams, such as photon vision, which we're using, we are also doing a lot of filtering that allows the robot to determine the standard deviation it should use for integrating the position, as well as switching between 2D and 3D modes in certain circumstances to provide the optimal targeting result at all times. In addition to using April tags to do field localization, we also use a Limelight 3 with a Google Coral located under the shooter head assembly. This position allows the camera to see over the intake and see notes on the ground. Running a machine learning pipeline, we are able to automatically rotate towards and pick up notes in both the autonomous and teleop period. This enables our drivers to be very efficient at the source, as well as our autonomous period to be very consistent picking up notes from the center line. Yep. Many design decisions on this robot were inspired by the lessons learned during our mini build season that we held during the off season. During this time, new and returning students are able to build, program, and compete with a completely new robot in order to build up their skills. Through this, I've been able to pass on my knowledge in programming and wiring to the future students to allow them to continue developing and improving their skills. Similarly, during the summer, I hold workshops in order for our new and returning VEX students to learn programming in fun and engaging activities. These skills have been put to use during the competition season here in Hawaii, as well as at the World Championship. Another point of emphasis on this year's robot was innovating in control automation. Whether this be automatically creating a firing solution for on-the-fly shooting or protecting the intake for collision, we created a system for it on this year's robot. For automated firing, we use the pose estimation data from the April tags that I previously talked about. We then combine this with the robot's velocity and acceleration to create a virtual goal where the robot will look to and then shoot at. This ensures that the note will always enter the target despite moving. This also gives us an advantage on the playing field, as we can easily evade defense by shooting while driving away from them. The other system that I talked about was the intake avoidance system. It uses a sensor located near the limelight to automatically detect incoming robots and stow the intake. This protects the intake in both autonomous and teleop mode if the drivers choose so. As the driver for the last 3 years, I've had the unique opportunity to work with hundreds of teams. During this time, I've honed the ability to collaborate on strategic decisions with other students and mentors. Through our Hawaiian Helpers initiative, we've helped over 80 teams with issues ranging from wiring to programming. Last year at the Canadian Pacific Regional, our team assisted Team 8338, who because of travel complications only had 2 members and an unassembled robot. Over the course of the practice day, we were able to assemble the robot, make an autonomous routine, and make it pass inspection, allowing them to compete for the duration of the tournament. This year, we selected Team 8338 during alliance selection and played with them during the playoffs. Taking home both the autonomous award and tournament victory was a rewarding experience for our team, as it was not only a testament to our hard work, but also our technical innovation. But more than that, the opportunity to compete with teams from around the world allowed me to share and expand my knowledge while continuing to build spirit, community, and teamwork. I'm Bowen Cassel, and through WPI, I look forward to continuing to share my spirit of innovation and community with the world.